Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So it is 1:40 Eastern time here in New Jersey, and I just finished perusing the Nordstrom anniversary sale preview. I only looked at women's clothing and women's shoes, and I have to say, I'm a bit disappointed. There were no shocking new styles, nothing that really surprised me or like, oh, that's different, I can add that to my closet. A lot of the things seem to be things that we've been seeing in the past. I've actually wrote them down here. We're still seeing lug-soled shoes. We're still seeing loafers. We're seeing pointy toe and square toe. I saw lots of mules. I saw some knee-high boots, but no over-the-knee boots, which was something I was looking for. I saw some mid-calf boots, some shorter boots, but nothing really low, like no shooties. As far as jeans go, I saw straight, flare, crop flare, boot. I saw both high-rise and low-rise. And on the younger brands like PacSun and Urban Outfitters, Topshop, I saw some like cargo jeans or pants and lots of wide legs. I also wanted to point out faux leather is still going strong, and that's not just in the moto jackets. There are plenty of those. I saw faux leather blazers, faux leather pants, bustiers, plaid and checked is big as it is every fall. I saw some vests, including plaid check vests. Motos, again, still going strong. I saw a lot of dark floral prints. So if you have the dark florals from a few years ago, dust them off because they seem to be back. I saw some traditional leopard print, most notably in one state, Vince Camuto and Reese, and mostly blouses. It was pretty much leopard, brown, and black. There was some abstract, again, notably Vince Camuto, Nick and Zoe, and Halogen. So there were no real like, ooh, that's a different style, or oh, that's unique, or things that, oh, can definitely be added to my closet and build on it. There was lots of things that I was just kind of expecting. Do I have things on my list? Yes. I got a lot of knee-high black boots on there. Hopefully I'll get one of them. I got some athletic tanks. Yeah, nothing, maybe one pair. I have a teddy coat that I'm interested in, and I have a pair of blue boots that I'm interested in, but I probably won't get because they're blue. And there's nothing really stood out to me as being different or unique. That said, I reserve the right to change my opinion once all the other influencers come out with their list, because maybe I missed something. All right, take care and see you next time. This is just kind of like my initial observation as to what they had and what we can expect for this fall.